We all need space, but rarely we get some. When an outfit makes you feel confident, try to add extra, extra, and extra to it.
Inspiration from the brand. Inspiration from
And extra to it, and extra to it.
In order to showcase my one-shoulder dramatic sleeve crop top, I decided to take inspiration from the brand Schiaparelli's. To recreate the look without breaking the bank was a very challenging task for me. And then suddenly an idea struck my mind. I made those glasses out of clay and then painted them gold as well as. But to recreate the handbag, that was totally an impossible task for me, so I asked one artisan for the help and he made the lips as well as the nose, and it came out really well. So now quickly dive into the video to see how we can DIY our very own dramatic sleeve one shoulder crop. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you do like about the video, and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Cut out 2 long strips of fabric. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen. Fold the top as well as the bottom area of the strip to make casing for the elastic. Place the armhole of your t-shirt on the very corner of this strip and place it, trace the pattern and then cut it out. I'm gonna keep this aside, and after that we will prepare the sleeve pattern. Fold the fabric in half, and now on this we will prepare our sleeve pattern. Now we are creating the sleeves. You need to measure your wrist area using measuring tape and place half of the measurement here on the very corner of this fabric or the folded side. Now you need to go down 20 inches from the top part of the fabric like so. Now I'm gonna join both the markings using a freehand curve like so. So easy, right? We have completed the pattern of the sleeves. Now cut it out. Now using the top part of the sleeve, make pleats on the upper half of the armhole. Pin the sleeves in place. Once done, repeat the same process on the back panel also. After that, using this part of the sleeve, we will be making pleats on lower half of the armhole area. Once done, sew it. Trim off the extra to remove the bulk. Measure and cut the elastic according to your upper bust as well as the waist area. Divide the elastic in 2 equal parts and then slip it in both the front as well as the back panel. Match both the front as well as the back panel and then sew here. Once done, flip the crop top to the right side and we are done.